Air transport is broadening the economic base of countries across the world. It's facilitating the integration of global cultures, connecting my country to yours, and it's promoting tourism and creating big employment opportunities. With more flights coming into Jamaica's airspace, new travel agreements with countries and the Ian Fleming International Airport facilitating more out-of-country flights, career opportunities from aviation are expanding.
Today's inaugural flight of this American Embraer out of Austin, Texas. The presence today of the inaugural flight from a Caribbean island into Boscobel is a bigger statement than what has been made. Because what it does is to put together the idea of connectivity in a material way. So far, we have had 1,117,137 stopover arrivals. We think that the meeting in Cayman with the IATA in September could be the stepping stone for coalescing our position on elements of multi-destination, but more so looking at airlift and airline collaboration.
From flight attendants to aircraft cleaners or flight test engineers, what you choose to pursue as a career in aviation is vast and ever expanding. This career option allows one to add to the design and development of the aircraft. So in this capacity, you'd have to undertake research, create design concepts, analyze and test performances. As an aeronautical engineer, you're essentially transforming flight-related concepts into functioning aeronautical designs. In this capacity, you're helping to keep the aircraft fully operational and in good condition. The main duties associated with the role of an aircraft mechanic are performing repairs and carrying out preventative actions to ensure the aircraft is working as intended. Pilots tend to be the most visible employees in the aviation industry. Professionals in this role are responsible for flying the aircraft. They also check the engine and navigation equipment to see if you're ready for departure. Once you're ready for takeoff, they communicate with air traffic control to receive permission to take off. In flight, pilots use the navigation equipment to maintain course and continue monitoring the plane's systems and fuel level. So maybe you've always seen them in the air control towers, but air traffic controllers' most important job is to ensure your safety. As an air traffic controller, you're responsible for coordinating the movements of aircrafts into and out of airports, while ensuring there's a safe distance between the aircrafts. Air traffic controllers give aircraft clearance to take off or land safely, and must inform them of any changes to their flight patterns. This is also one of those other visible jobs in the aviation industry, and while you often see them serving refreshments during flights, their responsibilities are much wider. Almost all flight attendant duties are safety related. They conduct the safety demonstrations before takeoff and regular safety checks during flight. And one more thing, they must have excellent customer service skills. As explicit as their titles, an aircraft fueler is responsible for routinely fueling and maintaining the aircraft. Persons in this position usually have knowledge on how to safely connect and disconnect fueling equipment, filling fuel tanks on the aircraft wings, and inspecting equipment for issues. While it may be a less visible role, it's just as important to the function of the industry. Aviation meteorologists are responsible for monitoring weather patterns, forecasting weather conditions, and communicating up-to-date information to persons like the pilots and air traffic controllers. For this role, strong communication skills and attention to detail are quite essential. There are far more options to consider if the aviation industry is where you're choosing to direct your professional future. With billions of passengers taking flight annually, it takes a lot of people working in different capacities to move all those passengers through airports around the world. So, know that whatever you choose, it's crucial to the success of the industry.